Looking for a highly equipped sedan with superior functionality and every luxury option you could possibly imagine? Take a look at this 2018 Nissan Maxima SL in carnelian red. With bi-xenon HID headlamps, front fog lamps, power heated mirrors, 18-inch aluminum wheels, dual chrome exhaust tips, rear bumper parking sensors, heated seats, steering wheel mounted audio controls, 8-inch touchscreen display, navigation, backup camera, blind spot monitoring, dual zone temp control, distance pacing cruise control, split folding rear seats, dual pane panoramic sunroof, power remote trunk release, 3.5-liter V6 engine, and so much more. For additional details or to schedule a test drive, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number 3195A.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.